How to return Zalando items. First, you want to Google search for return Zalando items, and here at the top you can see that you have the option of returning items 30 days from the delivery date. So right here you will just scroll down and click on returns and refunds, and you can read through all the information right here. So how can I return my order? You can do it through or if it's shipped by Zalando or the partners, and you have 30 days to return the items. So here you can read through information such as, can I return items from different orders? When will I receive my refund? Which carriers I can use? And also you're given the option to return items using a QR code. You can return items with a return table. And basically you just want to click on return items here at the top, and it is then going to ask you to sign into your Zalando account. And once you sign into your Zalando account, you'll be able to track your orders, and you will see a refund button or return button right there. You just click it, go through the prompts, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.